Okay, this is my vlog for today. We're going to where? Target! Woo! I have haircut and Claire is going to hang out with her friends. Tapos, kami naman ni Claudie, we're just, what are we gonna do? Ano gagawin natin?
Run errands probably.
There you go! Okay, taka lang. Sige. Ay, di kasi! Ay, di kasi! Alam daw siya ng perfume ko. Sige. Bahala ka.
Me too.
DIY yung lashes ko. Ito yung galing sa Amazon. I think mga parang $6 lang to. $6 or like $5. It lasts me for at least like a week. Every pagka every na ilalagay ko siya. But I think it's much cheaper kasi before they at least like $150 for a full set. Pero ngayon, since may 4 kids tayo, medyo kailangan natin magtipid. Ano sabi mo?
The only audience you're gonna try is like random like 50-year-old Filipino moms.
Target tayo. Pag ako...
Why would you leave your beautiful daughter behind?
Pag ako sumika, iiwan kita. Iwan kita sa adoption center. Fit check kami ng anak ko. Hindi naman ako galing sa gym. Ito lang yung suot ko kasi wala na ako masuot. Okay. May tinanungan kaming employee. Hindi namin kasi mahanap yung swimsuit. I know, sabi nila hindi raw siya nag-work dito. Pero nag-i-scan siya, di ba? Napakahusay. We're gonna pay. Tara na, lika na. Okay, so tapos na kami. So na-cancel yung ano to? Ba't ang daming tao? Na-cancel yung haircut nila. Nagkaroon ng emergency yung hairdresser. So, nag-McDonald's. So, she got a fry. Wait, is this the only fry? Or you've been eating it?
Me nothing. We've been eating it.
Oh, okay. So, a large fry, double, not double, but a mac chicken and a quarter pounder. So, those are free. I only paid $1.49 for a Coke. And then Claire, meron siya nakuhang two box of McNuggets. So basically a dozen of McNuggets for $3. Di natuloy yung haircut, so we end up, like getting McDonald's. Din-wrap off ko na yung anak ko sa dun sa bahay ng friend niya. They're gonna swim and hang out. So right now we're just going to get my coffee.
And then I'll card it in when it's ready.
Tiramisu ice matcha in less than like 5 minutes. Usually, ang tagal nila doon kasi madaming tao. Pero this time, siguro nag-die down na yung hype. Kaya hindi na masyadong busy. Look, it's so pretty. Oops. I mean, taste test. Although natikman ko na talaga siya dito. Nga so. Okay, saan nakita ko? Parang gusto ko mabulag. Pero talaga nagbabasa nun. Kasi parang ubos na yung ibang book. Kawawa naman yan! Ay, baby ko! Aba naman! Hello! Grabe, ang ganda nung araw.